So how do you save a document in the Google Docs on the iPad? Let me explain how it works. If it's your first time here, most definitely become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. So of course, Google Docs is a great editor for your documents, but in order to actually save them somewhere else, you have to get inside your app, go to your documents, and what you can click on is the three dots for more option. And you need to find the share and export button. So this will give you more things, right? So obviously you can click on share and, type in some other user which you can work with on that thing or share it with, whatever. But in order to end up with a separate document saved somewhere else, you need to click on the send a copy. And when you click there, it's going to basically prepare that document in a Word document format. And you can see that I can share it with other people. I can, send it over a WhatsApp message, whatever, but there's also the option to save it to files, and this is the most important thing because you have to click there and it's going to ask you where specifically you want to save it. So you're going to choose your iCloud storage, your local storage, or anywhere else, but that's how you just move or export that document from the Google Docs to your storage of the iPad, and then it's just going to be saved there and you're going to do whatever else you want with it. So that is how it kind of works. If you meant something completely different, then let me know about that, and it's likely I'll make an updated video about it in the future. I make a lot of tutorials and I actually don't want you to miss them, so stay tuned by subscribing and I'll see you later.